This is the weirdest IKEA in the world. It's basically the only IKEA in a strip mall that one story IKEA in a strip mall. Welcome to Huntsville, Alabama, y'all. Like, oh, they immediately box you in. Very IKEA. Which way to the Swedish meatballs? Oh, we gotta follow the...
That'd be cool for Hi, I'm off the trail.
This is not like IKEA. As someone who's been to IKEAs in Irvine, and I'm so sorry this is your first impression of IKEA. It's really messy. It has no feng shui. Most of the time IKEA sets up these individual like farmhouse or styles, right? And you'll see it like...
This is just a big maze.
It's just a big maze, yeah. And it's not normally how IKEA is. I mean, IKEA normally is very condensed, but not like this. There's a lot of product missing.
Well, there was nerves down that way, different arrows. I'm like, this is amazing.
Yeah. This would be great to lose your kids in.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine losing your kids in here? You'll never see them again. Yeah?
I say you're walking against the arrows.
I've always been that kind of guy. See, this is kind of more like it, but it's still condensed. They would be like... See, this is cool. So you get to like see the furniture, feel the different materials. And it's kind of like you buy it like...
It's like the stage setup.
A staged setup, yeah. Oh, sorry, this way. This is what I'm looking for. There you go. It's just like the CTA in Chicago. Your entrance, you start living room, and then it takes you all the way. See, we got self-service furniture, decorations. I don't think they do food here.
No, it's over there. You just walk the opposite direction.
Oh, okay.
See where's the Swedish deli?
Ah, okay, cool. Let's do it. Hey, the Swedish deli. No way. And it's self-serve?
59.
Excuse me. This way, Z. Swedish meatballs. Falafel. Okay, so we got the Swedish meatballs and the falafel balls in there.
Drinks.
Let's go to treats. We're gonna take a gooey cake. Want a chocolate? A cinnamon? A princess?
Princess.
A princess. We're gonna go to drinks. What did the Swedes drink?
Coffee's and tea.
Okay. Want a coffee?
Yeah, I'll have a cappuccino.
You want a cappuccino? Okay. I guess I'll do a oh wait, I don't do Pepsi. Hold on. We gotta go back, sir.
60.
Hold on.
You go back to shopping?
I will take. Excellent, $30 for some falafel and Swedish meatballs.
Order 60.
We're 63. Ah, milady. Yes, now this is a proper millennial date. It's sort of odd, the layout here.
Yeah, it gives me anxiety. Like, it feels like hoarders buried alive. Like,
Yes, it's very claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree. I agree. And it's not
too
like
much.
this. Normally,
Yeah.
IKEAs are very large and multiple floors, and you're taking escalators to the top. Jamming themselves into like a Burlington coat factory.
yeah, it wasn't a good idea, I feel.
I'm glad they're here, though. I like their setup and everything.
I'm sure people have benefit from them being here, but it's just like, for me personally, I can't walk through a place like that. Like,
I don't feel like I'm
I
shopping.
don't want to come back. Like,
You don't want to come back.
no.
Like, we're gonna eat these meatballs and we're never coming back.
Yeah.
Well, at least I'll get your review on these meatballs.
You just said you
You don't happen to have a tray, do you? Excellent, thank you.
The sparkling water is going to be in that black cooler to you.
Thank you so much. There we go. Here's your little, look, he put extra flags in there for you. I'll go to silverware.
Order 64.
All of the utensils are made of wood. All the utensils are made of wood.
I'm gonna get my
Oh,
cappuccino.
do it yourself. All right, let's see. That's a pretty good Swedish meatball. Let's see the falafel. Very good falafel. Let's try the couscous. All of it's good. Heck yeah. The couscous is good. The falafel is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank God. I love falafel, so.
Mashed potatoes is good. Everything's good. Want to try this bite?
I got my... Is that like a jelly?
Yeah. With the potatoes. Right? And try the potatoes. The chocolate is very good.
See the princess.
The princess one?
Oh, this is like cheesecake and cake.
Oh wow. That
It's like,
it's just good luck.
this went down. Oh, well. That's amazing.
Well, they definitely reward you for shopping. The couscous is really good. Get some couscous with a falafel. This is where we're going to take Lorelai and her friends.
In a normal IKEA, are they just standing in the front giving free samples?
No,
Of this?
it's more like cafeteria style. It's cafeteria style, and they have a lot more than just this. A whole lot more than just this. They have beef stroganoff.
Oh,
They have a bunch of different dishes. This is just a staple, and it's actually like a cafeteria where they make it fresh and you can smell it. It's usually on the top floor, and it's the last place you go to before you go down the stairs and pay for your stuff. You go down this really long escalator, and you're going around. You're collecting receipts for tickets for what you want to buy, and then you get down and you give them the tickets, and they prepare your order for you. So that was the IKEA Swiss market. Very good. They did a very good job. I do appreciate how they've turned this into like the CTA or like train station, so you know where you're going next. This is the world's smallest IKEA. See, that's not bad for a bed frame. $179. I mean, I know it's wood, but I prefer them have wood than... This is the mattress selection for babies. Like, can you... All right, since we're in the smallest IKEA, this usually would have like half of a floor of just... Remember I said I'd sneak away and sleep? This is where I would sneak away and sleep. They have all these different types of mattresses you can try. In King, California, they just have a bunch of twin selection here for you to try out. what each mattress feels like, as if you're a child or a baby. That's cute. Is this an IKEA for ants? I'm just kidding. Oh Lord, this is a crazy path. Get the front, shut the front door. You want me to, it wants us to, it wants us to just do this throughout the store.
Yeah.
You want to just break out of here?
Zigzag.
You want to break out or you want to do the zigzag?
Let's do the zigzag.
Okay. Hey, different bed linens. Are we finally getting to decor? Heck yeah. Took a while, but we made it. This is where I think IKEA excels, is letting your imagination run free of what your space could be. They got a bunch of plants. I'm pretty sure they're all fake. Well, I like this IKEA. I'm glad they're in Huntsville. I do hope that they succeed. You know, maybe it succeeds so well they can build a true store like they had when I was growing up. Self-service checkout? Well, that's new. It used to be an army of people preparing your order. Look, they got self-service checkout. That's crazy. Hey, look at that. My coworker Chris, this is his background when he does his meetings. He's got these sticks behind him. Hey, see you. Hey day, see you soon. Hey day means bye in Swedish. We did. We managed to zigzag our way out of there.